Me nah itch up under no man arm like Roland. Boss position, so no boy can't try program me. Rebel from day one. Real bad girl, so no boy can't try program me. Me no need donation. Autonomous, can't try come program me. Nanny never go a war for me. Sit down in a 2020 slavery. Shenyang if you ma try.
They say I'm too pretty to be spitting 16. I should be on the screen, posing for Maybelline. Or be a baby fat girl, kidding on my jean. Hood star, broad, black Barbie doll. Pop me if the cockiness bothering y'all. I'm just...
Carry on.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tineké Iman. That's Tinekee. Don't forget the word -IMAN. And welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. Whatever. It's whatever. So today I have been procrastinating so much, and it's really, to be honest, not a surprise. I said, Tineké, we're gonna film before 4 PM today. You wanna know what time it is? It is probably 9:30 at night. So I'm really gonna, you know, film this makeup look, take some pictures and take it right back off. But yeah, I want to keep being consistent, so I was like, no matter what the time is, I have to film to get it up tomorrow. But I don't know, I'm not in the mood to talk today, so it's going to be a silent slay. I got that off of a YouTuber I watched called Savannah Silver. But yeah, it's a silent slay, so I'm literally going to do my makeup, vibe to my music, watch my YouTube videos, and you just watch me. Okay, let's get into it.
Monkey.
I look crazy, but trust the process, honey. Just trust the process. I'm doing the one layer technique. Just trust the process, okay? Okay. No drama.
Monkey.
And this is the finished look. I just put a scarf on my head. I feel like people know when I'm filming because they just want to interrupt me. My phone has not gone off one time when I was filming, but now when I actually want to talk, it wants to come and interrupt. Anywho, moving on. See, remember I said trust the process. It all comes together. I had myself looking crazy. I was looking like a clown, but you know, look at me now. Yeah, so like I said, I put a scarf on my head because I've literally put all my hair in twists. I think I'm gonna keep it until I get my hair done in 2 weeks time. So I'm gonna keep these twisting for 2 weeks. So it's gonna have a scarf on. I threw on my Ivy Park jacket because it's green and, you know, match the eyes. If you enjoyed this video, just enjoyed this little, I don't know, little makeup look, whatever, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, you do all of that, you follow on Instagram, you know, follow me anywhere I am. And yeah, next video will be right here. And subscribe right there for me, pretty please.
Not an icy girl year, it's an icy girl decade. You feel me? I know that's right. And never ever motherfucking wrong. Don't play with it, stay with it, little mama.